Hi everyone, do you want to send your thank you message to your customers automatically for free? So let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate your email and how you can text your lead automatically. Okay, so in my computer screen, you can see I'm in the make.com and here is the scenario, and I'm gonna show you from beginning so that you can easily understand like how you have to make the Google form and then how you have to connect. I mean, easy way. It's very easy. Let's see. First of all, you have to click in this place like Google Apps and then scroll down and go to the Google Forms. Once you are in the Google Forms, you have to create a Google form, and here is the title. For example, you'll give a company name, the description. You can give your description, whatever description you want. In my case, I will give this type of things. It's very easy, right? And then you have to add some questions, right? Like most probably you will ask some question. uh in that way you'll take some leads, maybe by running ads, maybe through your videos or any website. People will just fill up your form and automatically you'll get some leads. So I'm going to show you how to connect with the Google Sheet as well. So first of all, we're going to ask him the first name, and it's required, not multiple choice. It will be short answer, and it's required. Yeah, we need another one. It will be last name, short answer. Also, it's required. It's totally up to you. And then another option like email. You can write anything how you want. Even you can bold it. This one as well. In terms of email, yeah, it's required as well. And in that way you can add, like if you add, you can also write like uh number, phone number, and you can give it's required or not. In terms of me, I'll not give it's required. It's totally up to you, like what you want to select. I'm going to show you another thing. Like whenever you'll click on the plus icon, you'll see a question. So you can write something like that, like which you automation do you like it's kind of poll type of thing. People can select. So that's check mark. When you give the check boxes, they can select multiple, and when you give the multiple choice, they can select just one or two, as I know. Yeah, you can explore by yourself how you want to customize. You can customize it. So in the first option I will give like make.com. Second one is an a10. Third option is uh OpenClaw. Yeah, it's fine. It's okay. I don't wanna add any other thing. And you can give its required, or you can add another one like other. Yeah, and you can give its required, like at least one or two they can select. They have to select, and it's super simple. Now, give okay. Before that, you have to give a name. So in my case, I just gave company name and publish it. Publish. Yeah, it's published. Okay, so you can copy this one, or another thing you can do, like uh whenever you go to the responses, you can click the link to sheets. Automatically it will create a Google sheet where you will get this data, like a lot of data section. Yeah, right. So now what I'm gonna do, like I'm gonna I will go to my another Gmail. Before that I was tested, so this one in here, paste this link. I'll go to this link. I'll fulfill like Shuva. It's my name, and then GSWAMI, my email. I have another email like this one. I'm gonna select for now. Mobile number, I'll not give any number because it's not required, so it really depends on me, and I'll give others as well, and then I'm gonna submit it. So once anyone submit any, I mean, after writing their details, you'll get uh, these in your Google Sheet, and automatically it will come. Okay, you have to add another section like a status, because we have to add this, I mean, status section where we can see email sent or not, or what is the update of this, I mean, status, what is the update of this email lead. So you have to just click the plus icon, automatically one column you will see. So for now I already made this one, the status section, in that way, and you have to add at the same in the same way. So now where you have to go, you have to go to the make.com. In scenarios, whenever you go to the scenarios, you'll see a big plus icon. So you have to click it, simple, and then click Google Sheet, and then search rows. In the search bar, you have to click search rows. You'll see search rows. Once you will go to this, I mean, click in this Google Sheet, you'll see the method. So select from, I'm going to select from all, and I have to give the spreadsheet ID right now. So I will go to the spreadsheet, and I'll see the URL, and you have to copy it. That's it. Whenever you're going to copy it, then paste it. And it's not your spreadsheet ID. I mean, whenever you cut this section, like before edit upward /2 the last, and this D/2 HTTP, and it's your I mean, spreadsheet ID. So sheet name, what is the sheet name? The sheet name in the bottom left corner, you can see from responses. So it's the sheet name. So when you click the drop down section, you'll see the from responses one, and this one is our sheet name, and we have to add a filter, and these are keep as it is. And in terms of filter, you have to select like status, like status G, it's G and status, and it doesn't exist now, there's no status, like it's not updated. So you have to click it and doesn't exist, and then you have to click add end rule, and then the email, it's exist, like already we have email, that is why we are doing this, right? Like already we will get some emails in here, like some emails, okay, emails. So emails exist, so that is why I gave this exist. It's the filter section, and there's nothing more. Click save, and then click to the another model, and this model will be obviously Gmail. Through the Gmail we're gonna send emails, then send an email. And once you will click in this Gmail, you will see like two. First of all, you have to select two. So who is your two? Your customers, your clients, your leads. So your two is these emails. You can see the email D. So why email D? Because this email section in that D, like it's email D. And then the subject, thank you for your submission. So this one is my subject. And then it's not HTML because we are not that much technical. So we will give some text, obviously. And then at the body section, click here, and the text, the body text. So the body text, I already copied something. I mean this one. So what is this? First of all, you will write hi or blah blah blah, whatever you want, and then yeah, the first name, and then the thank you message, whatever you want to write. And then if you go slightly down, you will see some advanced settings. Once you will click advanced settings, you will see a lot of options as well, like CC, BCC, additional email headers. So if you want to add this type of things, you can add, as well as you can see the signature content. Like if you have already a signature, you can add the signature. But for now, I don't want to add any signatures or something like that. If you want, you can add, and then click the save. And once it's uh, ready, then click add another model. And this model will be like it's our Google Sheet to email. Like once we will get some leads in our Google Sheet, automatically it will go to our I mean it will send by this Gmail, this email. And once it's sent, it means we have to see the update. It have to be automatically updated, like email sent or something like that, in this section, in status section. So for that, we have to add again the Google Sheet and update row, because we have to update this section is blank. So we will select the method, it's like enter manually, and then the spreadsheet ID. How we will get the spreadsheet ID? We will just copy from before, I mean the past one, copy and paste. It's very easy. Copy and paste the spreadsheet ID. Once you get the spreadsheet ID, the sheet name. So in terms of this, you'll not see any type of drop down section. So what you have to do, you have to go to your Google Sheet, and then select, double tap in, or if you have the mouse, then right click, and then copy this sheet name. And after copying, paste it, sheet, I mean from response one, row number is row number. There's no changes. Column range will be A to Z. Once you'll select like A to Z, you'll see I mean all column value, like you can write in any column. So we have to update the G, I mean G column. So we'll write in there uh in G, like email sent, then we're gonna save it. So before running it once, we should add another model, and it will help to like send an email a bit late. Why? Because otherwise it will go to your spam section, like frequently. If you are email something, or through your Gmail account, your email to your client, they will take it, maybe it's spam. So to ignore the spam, we should make a delay. And delay, in terms of me, I'll write 180 seconds. If you are getting a lot of leads, you can write like 120, it around 2 minutes. So then save it. It will help to ignore your spam issues. And then run it once. Like it's successful, it's as well. And it will take around 3 minutes to send the next email to the next person, if you have a next person. So right now what we have to do, we have to just check we get an email or not. So it's my another Gmail. So if I go to the inbox, I will say, yeah, I got an email, like thank you for your submission, hi Shuvo, and another things as well, like whatever I wrote. So it was the video, and where I already explained like how to do. So same thing you can do, and it will be totally automated whenever your form submission is automated, whenever you will run any ads, or maybe you are getting some leads from somewhere. So if you have this Google Sheet where a lot of leads are in here, so you can add it like this. You can add this automation, and it's totally free. So in terms of like the make.com is totally free. Make.com is, yeah, will give every single month around 1,000 credits. So these credits are enough for your testing and run small, I mean automations. So this video is end here. Bye bye for today.